Hey there, welcome to BotPenguin's, the AI chatbot builder platform that helps you engage your clients, boost sales, and engage leads 24/7 on WhatsApp, website, Facebook, and Telegram, with 60 plus integrations in the ChatGPT integration too. Now that you have built your chat flow and installed it too, you can go on to configuring your specific bot settings via the website chatbot settings menu. When you click on it, the first option that will appear will be of design. On the right hand side, there will be a preview running of the chatbot that you have built, and on the left hand side will be the options of the things you can choose. The bot name is what appears next to the avatar at the top of your chatbot window. Call to action is the message that appears while the chatbot is not open. It should be inviting and engaging so that your website users would come and want to click on it. Now, you also have the options to auto hide this call to action or CTA. Then you can reconfigure the theme or the color if you are not satisfied with the one you chose while setting up the bot. Going into layout, you have the ability to choose the position of the chatbot on your website, on phone and web separately. Now that you're done with the content and theme of your chatbot, you can choose the layout of your chatbot to decide where it will show up on your website. You can decide separately for how it would be displayed on your website or on your mobile phone. You can choose between left, right, and center on both the interfaces. Then you can decide the size of the chatbot window using the simple size options that you have, or if you have a custom size in mind based on pixels, you can define it in the custom section. Once done, you can save the changes and your desired chatbot would appear in the demo section on the right hand side of the screen. Now going to the general settings of your bot. This section is used to define whether your chat will be available or not. Here you can configure the waiting message for live agents, the unavailability message for live agents, and the chatbot status if it should be activated or deactivated. You can also select the language, time zone, and also configure whether your chatbot saves the message history of the particular user via cache or not. Now going into alerts, here you can configure when you would be alerted and how you would be alerted once a lead visits your chatbot. You can also configure the lead revisit notifications. Make sure that you enter the correct email address here where the notifications for new lead would appear. Now going into trigger. Trigger is when you want your chatbot window to open up automatically so that the user does not forget to type in their details or to interact with your chatbots. Here you can set up in how many seconds it should pop up or whether you want it to auto trigger not as well. The automatic opening of your chatbot depends on specific timing triggers or after a specific amount of time. Once you have configured that, you can also decide the user access. You can switch off your device support by choosing whether you want your website chatbot to be shown only on your desktop sites or on mobile devices too. Once done, you can also select whether to block particular IP addresses based on your security concerns. You can hide your chatbot on specific pages where you would not want your user to be distracted on the main page content. You can also select whether you want a particular country where the chatbot would be visible or you would want it to appear in every country. In the chat window, you can have the configurable options that will be displayed on the top right corner of your chatbot window. You have the option to allow visitors to transfer the chat from the chatbot to WhatsApp. You have the option to enable whether they can refresh the chat, transfer chat back to the bot, or ask for a live chat. You have the ability to configure messages for all of these options right here. You can switch them on and off based on your preferences. Now, once you have done this, you have configured your bot settings perfectly. If you have any queries, you can reach out on the links given in the description, or you can refer to the help.botpenguin.com website for our detailed help documents as well. We hope you have a good day ahead. Thank you.